Hey guys, Merry Christmas! And of course, you're welcome to today's analysis. Today, 25th of December 2025, 25 of 12 of 2025. Alright, so in today's analysis, we'll be looking at synthetic market and of course, we'll be using well trade. So if you don't know the broker called well trade, actually synthetic market also offer Forex and the rest of them. But you can just check the description. I drop a link for you to register with them. And of course, use that link, you have automatic access to all my trades. That means you can actually see what I'm doing, the one I'm losing and the one I'm winning. And you can choose to copy any of them you really want to copy. That's it. Let's go straight to today's analysis. Starting with FxVol 20. So there is the H4. So just be marking out our structures, of which are the zone we really want to be looking at the markets. And of course, we'll be starting with the recent high. Okay. Now this is something I'll be marking. This is a minor one. The major one actually leading to this whole downtrend is actually around it, which is definitely a big time, a long time high around there. So we'll not be looking at that. I haven't been that until the market starts changing structure that we can think of moving that. So then moving straight to this level, then let's actually take this a little this way. So you can actually see what you're trading, okay? So if you now moving to 15 minutes chart to see if we have opportunity to go continue on the downtrend. Remember, this is a downtrend, so we want to see continuation from that zone. Since this zone is actually still not taken out, the later I'm looking for a buy opportunity is if the market happens to give us something like the market breaking above this previous zone, then breaking above this previous zone, we're testing this and think about going long on that. Otherwise, we are still very much as short on that. I expect the market to continue moving on the short side of the market. That's someone around there because I think you can see this already. So I think this is definitely a good time of going short on this. And then our stop loss is going to be above that zone. Okay, sorry, let me just go ahead and take this. Okay, so going short, and of course, stop loss is gonna be above this. Then take profits is gonna be just the 1 to 2 of that. And please mind what you're risking is very necessary. Mind what you're risking. Nothing is actually very much valid. So just mind what you are risking on this. Alright, just a moment. Let me enter this trade as runs. Okay. Okay, good. Alright, so let's go straight to the next one, which is going to be break 500. So let's go to break 500. Or 600. I'd like to list the 500. Break 600. Okay, as usual, we go straight to our H4. Okay. I think I'm having a little bit of network issues right here. I think the market is currently on the bearish side. My major rejection around here, breaking below the previous low we marked earlier. Now you're of course still moving with high velocity below that zone, but then let's see what's happening on 15-minute chart. You can see opportunity to jump into the trade, otherwise you just have to wait. Okay, definitely no opportunity yet, so that means you just have to wait for the market to move into our zone. That means we want to see something like this moving back here, then you think of going short on this market. Otherwise, just let this one until you see a change of structure on break 600. That's it. Let's go to flip. Okay, so we'll start with flip 1. Alright. And of course, we move straight to H4. Okay. So marking out the previous structures, the high leading to the bearish move we are seeing currently, the low that led to the current bullish trend that led to this we are seeing right now. So what do you expect is what is going on. I want to see change of structure of this, of which you can already see something like something similar around that level, which is currently the market moving below this, getting here, then going above that, then getting below again, getting this. Then let's see the structure if we are likely to continue or continue moving in that previous trend. So they're going to the 15 minutes chart to see what is happening at that level there. Remember what we want to see is a change of structures, either to the bearish to this level or to the bullish back to this zone. So let's see which is currently happening on 15 minutes charts. And I think Flip does not really like open 15 minutes, so just be using 30 minutes and better. I think on your system or your cell phone, you can actually open the 15 minute chart. But it seems on the system is always having issues opening the what's it called, the 15 minutes charts on the system. Okay, here's the previous low and the level of rejection we are currently having. Then you can see this line around here. This level around here, the market is currently seems to be respecting, but I don't think I have any problem with that. I'm not really looking into this right now. So let's just see what really the market is gonna do. If any of that does not happen, please just stay out of Flip X1. Otherwise, it's gonna be at your own risk. Okay, let's go to Gain 400. Remember that still many, just if you can see them, so you can choose any of that one to actually analyze for yourself. If you want to actually trade, you mustn't trade the exact one and trade it, but just the same pattern. Your eyes then wait for structures to change and the rest. So of course, as usual, what's it called, the low that is currently leading to this high we are seeing around here, and of course this is the high that actually led to this overall low we are seeing right now. So let's see if the market is likely able to break above this previous one, this level. So if it's able to break above that, I think of moving back to the bullish side. Otherwise, you just have to wait for the market to break below the next low, which is around this level. So that is what we'll be looking at. So except it breaks below this, then you can think of going short. Otherwise, we wait for the market to break above this for us to think of moving along with the short trend, with the bullish trend we are seeing currently. That's it. Let's go with Pain. Of course, Pain 400. Okay, so it's already on H4. It's almost similar to that of Gain, but just that seems to absolutely be on the reverse side. But then let's see. So let's assume this is the high. Not really assuming, definitely that is the high, and of course, and this is the low that leads into this OI we are seeing currently. So just the same thing and similar to what I just explained earlier. So since it's already on the bullish side, so you want to see a break above this previous high, then for a test for to think of going long on that. That's pretty simple. I don't think there's anything complicating about this. Just a break above the test and then think of going long. Otherwise, just wait to see if you can see a change of structure for us to go short. Otherwise, please, this is the most profitable one we can see currently. Remember, not is really guaranteed. So never you risk more than you can afford to lose. So I think this is going to be the end of today's analysis on synthetic. Remember, I said you can just check the description. The link will be reduced for you to open an account with this broker, for you to trade all these assets and pay. And actually, more of it, I'll choose 5 to actually analyze every single day. I wish everyone a profitable day trade ahead. Please don't risk more than you can afford to lose. And remember, this is just for educational purposes to compare it with your own personal analysis. Please do enjoy the rest of the day. And of course, once again, Merry Christmas.